Hello there, it's Eddie Holford, Inner Econ Web Solutions, and this is going to be a crash course framework teaching that I'm giving today so that you can kind of understand what internet marketing actually is and how you can actually do this. If you kind of follow just some simple steps, you'll become good at it and you'll be able to have results. And so, I'll start this off typically we do uh, anywhere from 30 to 45-minute webinars. This is going to be your really quick 8 to 10-minute presentation just to give you the framework, the overview of how it is that you can easily add new leads and sales for your business every day. And you don't have to become an internet guru to do it, or you don't have to spend thousands of dollars every single month on multiple different software subscriptions that simply don't work and don't work together. So again, thank you very much for attending, and let's go ahead and get you started. So again, my name is Eddie Holford. I own Inner Econ Web Solutions, and we were one of the very first companies in North America to market a do-it-yourself website building software way back in 2005. Long before GoDaddy, Squarespace, Wix, all of those that are kind of, around today. We've been doing it since 2005. Those guys really didn't show up for about another, 7 to 10 years after that. So we've been in this business a long time. We've been trained in business and in marketing and in internet marketing by some of the most well-known leaders and visionaries in the industry. People like Danny Johnson, Brian Tracy, Tony Robbins, Russell Brunson, Grant Cardone, Zig Ziglar, and a host of other ones that we have actually graduated from their courses and their trainings as well. I've personally built hundreds of successful websites that have been responsible for tens of thousands of leads and sales over the years, hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars. Personally gone through these businesses. And I currently personally train other business owners, perhaps just like yourself, to have success online and to have confidence and gain confidence, know that they can actually do things and get a positive result. All right. So how do I do this? I do this with a magic bag of sales. No, just kidding. What we have is an all-in-one system. It's one system. It's all-inclusive, and you're going to have to go out and piece different tools together. We have every possible tool that matters in internet marketing in one place for you. And it's easy for anyone to use, regardless of who you are or how non-technical you are. If you can operate a cell phone, our software program is that simple. And what matters, really, the only thing that matters is a positive return on your investment. When you actually buy something, you want it to work. And with us, it's software. And our software will bring you new leads, new sales, and cause you to operate your business with greater efficiency. If it doesn't, then we haven't done our job in the beginning, first and foremost, setting you up correctly. So just so you know, you're going to be in great hands, and you're going to have a positive return on your investment if ever you decide to get involved in our company. People ask, do they need to become experts, in all of the things that are of the internet, like copywriting, designing emails, sales funnels? No, you don't. But you do have to do something. And that's called stepping out of the conditioned limiting belief that you may have and comfort zone that you can't do it. And by stepping out of that, you will create growth, progress, and have some tremendous, amazing results. That we are 100% sure of. The three things that you must be: just be you, just be the authentic you, just be the honest you, and just be the you that adds value. People, in general, hate to be sold, but they love to buy everything. If you add value to their lives, they will ask you to buy your products and your services. This is kind of a golden rule in internet marketing. So what does internet marketing work for? What types of businesses? Well, I'm here to tell you absolutely every type of business internet marketing works for. It doesn't matter what type of business you are. Now, you may be in the financial industry where you say, hey, I'm not allowed, I'm handcuffed, I can't sell financial services. And my caveat to you is okay, don't sell financial services. Sell yourself. Sell the dream of what good financial services looks like. Sell the process of that, of having good financial advice and investment looks like. And when I mean sell, I don't mean actually sell as a exchange for cash. Sell as an exchange for their email. Because before anything ever happens in the financial world, there needs to be a relationship. And the internet allows you to actually create relationships, at your beck and call. As much as you want to create relationships with people, you can, and it can easily be done. Literally, there is no business category or types that are not currently marketing online. And since the invention of the internet, there really hasn't been. And when there's been limitations, there's always been the guy that steps out of the norm and sells himself and ends up selling more financial services or insurance services because of that. Moving on, you got to be a master of these 3 core skills. And in the top successful business leaders that you see every day, and gurus that we call gurus, have mastered these 3. And that is hook, how to capture someone's attention. They're masters at telling the story of who, what, how, and why. And they're master at creating offers. And that's typically where businesses fall off. They really don't create offers for their subscribers, their people who see their content or read their story. They stop at that part of it and don't know how to craft irresistible offers. We're going to show you that. So first, when we look at the hook, what is a hook? A hook is a headline, graphic, photo, video, puppy, cat, whatever. It's anything that causes a viewer to actually think or pause what they were doing and pay attention to what's coming next. Good ones stop people in their tracks. And this happens to us as individuals every single day throughout our day. Whether we're listening to satellite radio, whether we're watching TV, no matter what it is, you are being exposed to hooks. And some of them grab your attention and cause you to focus on what it is that they're doing. Right now, you're probably wondering what that little orange symbol is right here. What could it be warning me about? The thing of it is that when you see that in your Facebook feed or on an email or in a text message, you stop and pay attention. And that is the focus of a good positive hook. That's what it does. Next is the story. Once you've got somebody who has resonated with your hook, they've swallowed it, and they start paying attention to your who you are story, what you are and how you learned it or earned it story, the why they should start with your story, and the how they can start with your story. And you have to remember that money always follows attention. Always. So the dog's eyes when you tell them a story about treats or going on walks. Try that with your animal next time. When you say don't do that, see how much they pay attention. And when you just say the word walk, see what they do. They focus. The same is true on the internet with subscribers. So here's my who, what, how, and why example. It's my personal story that I can tell to somebody literally in just a few seconds. So I'm going to do it. So hi, I'm Eddie. I'm a digital marketing expert and agency owner of InterEcom for the last 20 years. And what I do is I help businesses succeed online by showing them how to get new leads, new sales, new positive reviews, and run more efficiently without wasting money on insane agency fees, and some of them can be out there, or on multiple different software programs that are hard to understand, don't all work together, and cost a small fortune every month. After being in this business for 20 years in the marketing of online and sales, the education that we've literally mastered the knowledge and the skills of what's needed for the average business owner to compete and succeed online. We have literally the world's best team of developers, marketers, designers, and other agencies who have created what we call the all-in-one system. And the reason why I would suggest that you join us, not only will you get access to this world's best system and be able to use it to grow your business, but you'll see that it's the most complete software out there. But probably the most important thing is that you'll get our unwavering support and guidance along the path to help you grow your business online and do it in a successful way that does not break your bank. So that's my story, right? That's what somebody would listen to. And the next step is I would make them an irresistible offer. Now you can go out and you can try to duct tape different software programs together, talk with multiple different companies that offer just their piece of the pie to fill your marketing needs. And you're probably looking at setup costs anywhere from $7,000 to $10,000 plus over $1,000 per month. Or you can just simply have the all-in-one solution that has it all. So this list of the things that you get with our all-in-one solution is a partial list. There's more to it than this. But these values that you see associated here, these are actual costs and prices from our competitors that are actually online right now that you can actually go and see for yourself what they actually cost. These aren't made up. These are actual real costs of different competitors that actually offer these particular things. And this may be the only thing that they offer is email marketing, or the only thing they offer is pipeline management, or the only thing they offer is a reviews tool. And this is what it would cost you just for that. And so today, my absolutely irresistible offer is this for you. Today's price, it's $0. You get to actually try our free 14-day full access trial and decide for yourself whether or not this would work for your business to help grow it. And then if you say yes, there's 3 different levels that you can actually choose and pick from, depending upon what you need and what it is that you're looking for. And lastly, internet marketing done the right way is going to always grow your business and produce a positive return on investment. I cannot stress that enough. It is literally true for every type of business there is. And today you have the option. You can get started today completely free by going to demo.enterecomweb.com, or you can absolutely do nothing at all. And the fact is, doing nothing will always produce the exact same results. Thank you very much for attending the presentation. Told you it's about 12 minutes. I run about a minute over. So I'm going to let you go enjoy your day. God bless you. Do good business today. And I appreciate each and every one of you for taking your valuable time out of your day to view this presentation.